Good evening, everyone. Billyjack here doing some research on a really cool website that I found called Earthview360. And here's what I wanted to show everybody. Hopefully I can get this on here. Here's a wild golf course right here. Look at this deep valley we have up in here. Almost completely lacking trees up toward the very top of it. Here's another really interesting thing I wanted to point out. Right here we have Nuanu Reservoir. It's hard to see, but I'll show it to you. You see this green patch right here? This is one of the anomalies I've dubbed the collapse. As the mud slid down this whole valley area right here, it came down to the side of the Nuanu Reservoir 4, and it made this area here anomaly number 1, which I've dubbed the mud banks. You can see them very clearly here. Going right over a little ways over. If I can squeeze this in real quick. This whole area right here I've dubbed, this is a Pauoa Flats right here. This is the one large tree. Here's the tree line with the giant old growth trees right here. This is the area I've dubbed, another anomaly dubbed the chute. So all this water from the Pauoa Flats went right down through here, down this mountain stream, right down here to become Lion's Arboretum Garden. Can believe that. But this thing shows extensive color contrast where you can really get up in here and see some interesting stuff. I was up here looking at this volcanic crater, Kau crater right here. I think it's a big sinkhole. Billyjack over and out.